I'm Mason from Wild Earth Contracting. We run a vegetation management company down here in Albany, WA. We're specialised in helping local landholders in reducing invasive species on their property, such as Sydney golden wattle, but also fire mitigation as well. So we started Wild Earth Contracting in November 2024. We started out as just a general earthworks and breaking into the local market. Soon realised that we want to specialise more in vegetation management and helping local landholders. So we do a lot of parkland clearing around properties and fire line construction. So we'll come in, we'll mulch the ground on the surface instead of traditional methods of grubbing out the root system and everything. This is helping us to keep intact all the ground conditions, but also returning nutrients back into the soil as well. We're trying to create a sustainable land clearing method or land maintenance method instead of going through doing parkland clearing, burning everything off, or leaving our clients with big burn piles that they've later got to get rid of. So it's a one solution. We come in, mulch everything in situ, and then leave and you've got a clean product. So we've got the 275 XE with the Land Management 1 package. This has been a great addition to our fleet. It's running the extra horsepower and the PSI for the head mulcher itself it's been a game changer. We've also got the 305 excavator with a thumb attachment that allows us to go along fence lines and hard to reach areas where we don't want to take the mulcher in and pull vegetation out. When we came to WesTrac, we got put onto Jake. He's been great to deal with. We're a bit in the infant stage of our business, so money for us was tight, and Jake was patient. He worked with us through the whole way, and he put us onto the 275 that was about to launch and said that'd be a great fit for us down the track. Fast forward about 6 months and we placed the first order. Ever since then, Jake's kept us up to date with all the progress of the machine from when it was being built over in America to when it landed here in Fremantle, even down to our doorstep here. Even the backup service, everything that comes along with it. It's not just buying a machine, it's everything afterwards as well.
G'day, Jake Lewis, WesTrac Account Manager for the Great Southern region of Western Australia. We're here on site today with Wild Earth Contracting, watching their brand new 275 XE land management machine, first delivered in Australia, as well as their 305 go to action. About 6 months ago, Mason reached out interested in some information on the new 275. At the time, we hadn't seen any 275s land here in WA, but after spending a bit of time understanding Mason's business and what exactly he was looking to use the machine for, we quickly realised it was needing to be a custom order from factory as a land management machine. So over the course of the next couple of weeks, we sat down and went through the configuration options from Caterpillar and basically specially built him a machine to suit the sort of work he's doing. So that included a land management package for all the extra guarding and protective covers, XE hydraulics for the high demand work tools he's using, and reversing fans. 305 is another addition that Mason's put into the fleet. It matches very well with his 275. One of the main features that really helps his business with this platform is a hydraulic thumb. So that allows him to pull branches, limbs off tree lines, rake them up and allow him to go through and mulch it. It's our next gen excavator, lots of features and a great match for his business. WesTrac has a great footprint here in the Great Southern, supporting our customers like Mason and the like. We've got a huge parts department back in Bunbury supporting this area, over 15,000 line items. And so yeah, we really pride ourselves in how we support our customers in this region. It's been a great journey working with Mason, customising this machine from the start. 6 months later, we get to see it here working from all that work that we did together. And just great to see a young family really getting into business and making the most of it.
For us moving forward in the future, we're keen on building relationships. We want to keep developing our relationship with WesTrac and specifically Jake, who we deal with. We don't operate if we're not getting the service from them as well. If our machine goes down, we know they're there. So continuing on with that and just building a relationship.